Tell me what animal is making this sound.
Eagle.
Eagle, yeah.
I'm going bald eagle.
I'm going to go for the golden eagle then.
It is not an eagle.
Oh.
Can anyone pull out what they think it actually is?
An albatross.
A condor. An osprey.
It's a red-tailed hawk.
Oh, it's used in everything.
In everything, right? And now I will play you what bald eagles actually sound like. Not cool at all, right?
No.
So in like every single video or song or anything, when they're trying to like convey a bald eagle, they always use the red-tailed hawk sound because bald eagles do not sound cool at all.